Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on +4 big friends formula. Okay, we are going to do zero in the class, arrow will be your homework. Okay, let's start. First of all, before starting, where are we going to apply this +4 big friends formula? First, where I won't have enough bits to add 4. Second, I can't do small friends. Both of the things should be there. Then we are going to apply 4's big friends formula, that is plus 10 minus 6. Let's start. First question, 6. We are starting from the zero. 6, then 4. See, this is the situation I was telling about. Can I add 4 now? Clearly, I have no beats, so I can't add 4 first. Second, can I do small friends? No, because small friends formula of +4 is +5 minus 1. +4 of small friends is +5 minus 1. I can't do +5. +5 is already added. Now what I will do? I will do big friends. That is +10 minus 6. Okay. Then +3. It's in the question. Then -2. My answer is 11. What did I do when I didn't have enough bits to add 4? I did +10 minus 6. Why didn't you do, ma'am, +5 minus 1? It's because I don't have enough bits to add +5 also, no? That's why I did small friends. Now, next, 7. Added 7 plus 4. Can I do 4? No. No enough bits. So, formula of 4 +10 minus 6. We are doing big friends because small friends can't be done. +5 minus 4. Now, formula of -4, -5 plus 1. My answer is 12. Okay. Next, +8 plus 4. Can I do 4? No. And I can't do small friends as well. So big friends formula of 4 is +10 minus 6. 4 is added now. Then -2 plus 5. My answer is 50. Wherever I'm not able to do 4, I'm just applying the formula and moving on. Next, 9 plus 4. Can I do 4? No. And I can't do small friends as well. So big friends of 4 is +10 minus 6. Then -2 plus 7. My answer is 18. I will write 18. Okay. Next. Next question. 5, 4. Again 4. Can I do 4 again? No. Do I have beats to do small friends? No. So big friends of 4 is big friends formula +10 minus 6. Then -3. Just after applying the force formula, you will move on to the, remaining question. Answer is 10. I hope it was clear, guys. Okay. I'll see you in the next class now. And meanwhile, you are supposed to complete your homework and let me know the answers in the comments. Bye bye.